Hey, welcome back to another short tutorial. I filmed this video very spontaneously, but I hope you enjoy it. This one's very easy, so you can just follow along with me. Let's begin. Make sure the beads are in the center of your cord, so both sides have the same length. Here we only add a bead to the left cord. Here again. The last section I add like this, so it's easier to make a knot. When you make the other candy cane, make sure the knot is on the right side, so they face each other when we put them together. Then I'll make 2 knots and seal them with glue. I start here with these 2 white beads and a new piece of cord. This one is 40 cm long. Add a red bead and pass your cord through the bead on the other side. Then I add a white bead and pull the cord through the next 2 red beads. The beads on the side show you what color to add. So if you passed your cord through 2 red beads, you add another red bead. Same with the white ones. You can repeat this pattern throughout the whole candy cane. At the end, we have to pull the cord through the first bead. Then I bring both cords to one side to make a knot. And we're done. See you next time.